Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Nevina. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to see how to make some flowers using woven thread. Without any delay, we will see how to make it. Let's do it. For making woven flower, I have choose a red color woven thread, and there is one scissor, one crepe paper with green color, and toothpick. There is some sticks I have taken, and fevicol. First we will take some crepe paper like this. It's about 1.5 centimeter width and length. According to the stick we will cut it. Okay, let's make it. This is the starting of the woven thread, and I'm rolling it using with my 2 fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we will cut it here. Then take a stick, it's a copper. Take the copper inside the thread and lock it. See? Give a twist. Perfect. Then we can cut the thread like this. See? Cool. Okay, then take a toothpick and split the threads like this. Hope you can see this perfectly. I know it's like a Persian's testing, but when you do it with calm, the output will be so good. Like this, each thread you have to split it. Here. Okay. See? And we are gonna roll the stem using the crepe paper. Give some glue. Okay, now. See? From here we are gonna roll it. Okay? Here also we are going to little glue and then cut it with the scissor, roll it. Okay, then we will cut some tip for giving a shape. We are cutting the tip for come out beautifully. Here you go. We make it one and we will make it more, so it will be more beautiful looking together. Okay, so let's make the another one like the same way. Take the thread and roll it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then cut it. Then take a copper wire inside to the thread, put inside like this and twist. Lock the thread using the copper wire. See? Then cut it. Then cut it like this. Easy. Then take a toothpick, split the ends. And I have a quick question to you guys. What you guys will do when will you get the free times? Some people like to watch the videos, some people like to read books, some people like to cook, some like to sleep. Obviously, sleep is needed. What about you? What will you do when you get the free times? Let me know in my comment box. Okay? So it's almost done. Okay, see? Then let's roll with the crepe paper. Okay. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Now we are gonna shape it. See? It's so good. So this is my last flower. I'm rolling it. Okay, here we go. Cut it. And shape it. I have made almost 6 flowers. Now we will arrange it. Okay? First I'm gonna make some space here on my table. Afterwards, we will do it. Okay, almost done. See? Wow, this is so good. This is super. How are you liking it? Let's arrange this. And this one. Okay. Another one. Another one. Final one. Okay, now see. How is it? How is it? I really like it. This cute, beautiful little flowers together. And red is my favorite color. Okay, hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and do subscribe if you are new to this family. And I want to tell you guys something, that if you want to see some particular flower or some another craft, if you want to know, let me know which is it. Okay, to the comment box. And I like to interact with you guys, and I really wanted to know how you like in this video. Please let me know if you like this video through the comment box, and if you didn't like anything, that also let me know so I can improve my video quality next time. Thank you. Stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.